Are you a company HR executive or employer you looking to hire? You've come to the right place. So Philly Jobs is a platform for employers to find full-time job seekers, freelancers, and service professionals to do some work for them. So I'm going to walk you through how to create an employer account in this video. In subsequent videos, I'll go through how to create a freelancer account, service pro account, or client account to hire freelancers and service professionals. So let's get started. When you go to phillyjobs.com and you click join us here, it brings up this page, and then you would have to enter your first name, last name, email address, phone number, and check this box here. So I'm going to use this company I created, the false company, test company, if you like, um, that I created, and then show you how they can create an email or an account easily. Okay, so I'm just going to use some information. It's not a real number, but actually, yeah, currently you don't need to enter. Let me just make sure I'm not mistaken this. It depends on where you sign up. If you're signing up on the mobile app, you'll need to phone authenticate via phone, but on the web, I think you will get an authentication code via email or phone. So let me just put a phone number there just to be sure. See what happens. Okay, so um, I can use any password I want, and once I've entered the phone number and I've checked this box here, then I can click create account to create it. Okay, so it will take me through the account creation process. So once I click this here, let's see what happens. Okay, so you can see it sends me an authentication code via email, the email that I entered. And so I'm going to go to that email, but you might have to wait up to a minute and check your spam or junk folder if you don't get the code. So let me go here and check, and you can see the OTP came through. So I'm going to actually 653224. Okay, so I can either copy it or I can just type it manually. So I'm going back here and just paste it here. Click verify email. And there. So my email is now verified. And I can come here and enter that email and then check I'm not a robot. And it will then log me in once I click sign in. So now I've signed up as I've signed up and I'm signing in now. So once I sign in, if it's my first time, I have to create a profile. And your profile options are job applicant, freelancer, company, service provider, or client. So I'm going to choose company so that I can post jobs and hire freelancers. So I'm going to click company here. And then once I've clicked company, I need to go through and fill this out. So let me come here and put something there as my logo to browse. And yeah, so once I find an image as my company image or logo or any other image I want to upload to represent this profile, then I'll just fill out the rest of the stuff. So actually, I'm just going to use one of these. I don't want to use my actual photo here, but you can, if you have a logo, you can upload it here. So it's going to load. You can see it's loading. Once it's done loading, 100% loading, then that's my profile image. And then I can scroll down here and say Well, I'm just going to write something random. So Philly Jobs is a platform where companies and clients, uh, companies and clients can find find full-time job seekers as freelancers and service professionals. Okay. I mean, obviously, freelancers and service professionals and job seekers can also find work, but I'm just keeping it simple here. And so once I fill that out and I come here, enter my address, and then I go here. So the company profile details were saved. So now I can enter the company name, business name. uh, I think I wanted to call it Embrace. Okay. Okay, and I'm just filling out some random stuff just to complete this about company. Okay, next. So once I've gone through that part is saved. The next part is for me to add any social links. So if I have YouTube, URL, WhatsApp, Telegram, any of these things, I can add them. Uh, I think, let me see if I can find a YouTube link for my channel. So I'm just going to go here quickly to find my channel's YouTube link and add it just to show you that you can add a social link here. And so 1 second, once this loads, I'll grab a link and then we'll be good to go. So um, so 1 second. So go here, and then I'm going to click view my channel and then get a link. View your channel. Okay, so from my channel, so yeah, this is my channel. You can like and subscribe. This is where I'll be posting these videos and others. So I'm going to copy that and then go back here and add the link to my channel. So you can add links to your Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, any other channels, but I'm really going to keep it to YouTube for now. Save next. And then once you've created your profile is created and social media link is saved in this case, I can view my profile, I can browse jobs, I can go to homepage. So I'm going to click view profile. And then once I click that, you can see here that now I've created this company. And yeah, I can see the different functionalities. I can check the company details that I entered while creating the account. I can see my social media link. If I added one, I can click edit to add more links here. And I can see any job postings, or I can post a full-time or freelance job as a company. So if I click here, post full-time, it'll bring me to this form that I can fill out and post a job, and then it will show up in the jobs list so that anybody looking for full-time jobs can find it. Obviously, that's one. You can post full-time job. You can also look for freelancers to do some work. So if you click post freelance jobs, it brings you here and you can fill out that form as well. You can get recruitment analytics. If you've posted a job, you can see any messages that job seekers or the site admins have sent to you here. And you can see your payment history, whether you've made any payment transactions. And in your settings here, yeah, you can update your personal settings, so notifications, uh, privacy and security settings. Okay, so yeah, that's how you create a company account. So that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll show you how to create a freelancer account. And then in another video, I'll show how to create a Service Pro account and how to create a client account. So stay tuned for more updates and like and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you'll receive notifications when I post the next video. So until then, I'll see you.